Alignment is also a very important thing to master in adaptive layouts. And let's start off by selecting this mobile drop-down widget. And if I look at the sizes dialog, you'll see its percent width is set to 96. Let's reduce that a bit further to 80 so we can see this a little bit clearer. Most widgets by default will have their alignment not set, which is the same as having it set to left. So if we now look at this, this is now shown on the left edge of the container. Now that's not ideal when you have an adaptive layout because you end up with sort of big spaces everywhere. So what we can do is set it, as it was before, to align in container center. And now as the container itself resizes, you can see it remains centered and it looks sort of nicely evenly spaced. So you'll find it's important to understand the aligning container property. That's particularly commonly used with text, where you want a piece of text to fill the available container. You can see that going on here again. And with text, you also need to think about aligning the text inside the text widget. So here the text widget is aligned inside its parent's container, but I also would want to set, in this particular case, the text align property to center. If I set it to left, you can see it's now still, the widget is still centered within its parent, but the text isn't. So you need to be aware of both properties. You can also set margins very easily in Application Craft. So if I select this widget here, first thing I'm going to do is just to align it left so you can see how it would look. See, it's a bit hard up against the left edge, so maybe we want to indent it slightly. So let's go back to the margin dialog, which is at the bottom of the property bar in the style section. I bring that up, set my margin, click on OK, and now you can see it's nicely indented. That can also be combined with the percent width to provide a good general look and feel as your design modifies.